Hello and good afternoon. This is Paul River from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a gorgeous cherry red 2015 Toyota Sienna SE with only 1,300 miles. This is a gorgeous side entry, wheelchair accessible van with a ramp that deploys on the passenger side. This is an Amerivan. This is a competitor vehicle. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years. We have a huge selection of hundreds of wheelchair accessible vans, trucks, SUVs, and crossovers. This is just one of many of the vehicles we have in stock. It's like brand new, only 1,300 miles. It's gorgeous. Push button side entry. Like brand new inside and out. Flawless. And with the side entry model, you're able to remove both of these seats here. And you can attach and park your wheelchair either in the driver's side or the passenger side. You have the flexibility to do either one. Seats like brand new. Black leather interior, heated seats. It's a gorgeous van. Just one of many, many vehicles we have in stock here. Dual power sliding doors. Side entry. This is a gorgeous van. If you're in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, this is a really nice one. And these side entries go pretty quickly. Amerivan 2015, only 1,300 miles, like brand new, inside and out. Beautiful cherry red, sporty too, with a luggage rack and sporty wheels, fog lamps. Gorgeous vehicle. And just with the push of a button, the whole side of the ramp retracts, just like so. Pretty cool. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call and contact one of our sales representatives. 1-800-625-6335 is our toll-free number. You can check us out also at freedommotors.com. This is a gorgeous 2015 Toyota Sienna SE. Only 1,300 miles, like brand new, inside and out. Push button. One touch. It's integrated with the factory remote, the factory key fob. Beautiful. Just a few seconds, you can be in and out. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Thanks for watching my video. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page. Have a great day.